What exactly is trigeminal neuralgia and why is it often referred to as the suicide disease?
So, trigeminal neuralgia is a condition wherein the fifth nerve, that is the trigeminal nerve, has certain changes within it, which causes sharp shooting electric pain. In our textbook, it is compared to labor pain, it is compared to kidney stone pain, which are excruciating pains. You can imagine somebody in labor pain now and then, every day, every time. That is how bad trigeminal neuralgia is, because it is electric current on the face depending upon the part of the nerve involved. It is a very bad pain. I mean, we do get patients coming with trigeminal neuralgia literally in tears, or it gets aggravated when they chew, when they sip. So at times we get patients in the OPD wherein they say that we have lost about 30% of our weight in last 4 months because we cannot eat or drink. The moment we eat or drink, the sharp shooting pain occurs. That is how the trigeminal neuralgia pain is. Very bad.
So, what are the precautions for it? How can somebody be like can be aware of it?
No, so trigeminal neuralgia, the patient cannot do much about it. If
Okay.
he has a disease of trigeminal neuralgia, it
Hmm.
should be investigated properly with the MRI whether there is any tumor sitting which is irritating the nerve and causing this short circuiting which leads to pain, or there
Hmm.
is some artery sitting on the nerve. So those are the investigation and treatment. Not every patient would need surgery for trigeminal neuralgia. There are very good medications which can control neuralgia, but if
Hmm.
patient has intractable neuralgia and on MRI you either find a tumor or you find an artery sitting on that nerve, then a very fine neuronavigation guided microscopic surgery for trigeminal neuralgia has excellent results.
Thank you for the insights. I know this video will be very helpful for all our audiences.
My pleasure, ma'am. Thank you.